name is Godfall Olapade, and I'm the founder of Edmunofec. And with great delight, I welcome every of our teenagers to our newly launched teentech academy. And with great honor, I appreciate the effort of our parents, also in the place of making sure that they contribute to the success of your children in pursuing a career in the tech industry. So basically, we have three major things that we seem to achieve, that we're looking to achieve during this teentech academy and community. First is mentorship. Second is enrolling these kids, these teenagers, in tech courses that we equip them with the necessary skills and expertise that they need. And thirdly is a community, because one of the major things that we've come to understand is the place of you having like-minded people around you that can foster and can help you with pursuing your dream. So we are looking to build a community of teenagers that are like-minded, and with the help of the tech expertise, they get to have access to everything they need in terms of pursuing a career in the tech industry. So let's not forget, teenagers are not just a little one trying to make things out of life, but also let's remember that they have a God-given gift, which is a powerful tool in the tech industry, because we all know that one of the power beats of the tech industry is the power of research. And teenagers, looking at their ability to explore, being bettered by their curiosity to know the things around them, we've seen teenagers doing great exploit. So let's support them with everything they need, with their support, with our words, with our resources, and we aim to welcome more teenagers. See you soon. Thank you.